everyone from Sandmax. This is my DIY bicycle. This is a bicycle. I was working on it for a long time, and now I find the right setup for it because I want to have a off-road bike. This is an old mountain bike, full suspension. But I find this parts make it fantastic. So we can talk about first the wheels. This is Meroca wheels, very nice. 35XM, they are fantastic. I have SLX shift, and here the bicycle double piston hydraulic brakes. They work fantastic. My friend Chris gave me this fantastic disc brake. They work perfectly with this bike. As you see, I have mint tires. They are doing perfectly here with this setup. It's like mwah. I have the tool rack with the pannier setup over there. A white lab handlebar is working very well, as it is H-bar from Jones. So this feels like a Jones bike, yeah. A kind of a commuter adventure bike. D&M suspension here, air suspension. Epic Song Suntour suspension here converted to 160, and it works perfectly. We have a light here. I broke the USB command, but it works perfectly, so I just cannot use the horn. Don't mind about the front bag, but it was the bag I have now for keep the things inside. The saddle is quite nice and fit well with the bicycle. Light is also nice. Racework crankset Holotech 1152 cassette. And what else, man? Look how wonderful this bike is. Fantastic. And now I can tell you, subscribe, like and share, and follow the channel for more interesting build, for more interesting adventure. And in this channel I make food, Chinese food blog, Chinese culture blog, and bicycle build blog, and bicycle part blog. So it will be interesting. Thank you so much, and see you next video. Bye bye. Subscribe.